Hello and welcome to this video on the implementation of an algorithm to find the judge of a town in a 2D vector of trust relationships. The function we will be implementing is called findJudge and it takes into parameters an integer n and a 2D vector of trust relationships trust. The function will return the ID of the town judge if there is one, or -1 if there is no town judge. First, we declare two vectors called in degree and out degree with size of n+1 and initialize them all to 0. These vectors will be used to store the in degree and out degree of each person in the town. In degree is the number of people who trust the current person, and out degree is the number of people the current person trusts. We then use a for each loop to iterate through each edge in the trust vector. In the loop, we increment the in degree of the person represented by the first element of the edge and the out degree of the person represented by the second element of the edge. After that, we use a for loop to iterate through each person in the town and check if the in degree of the current person is 0 and the out degree of the current person is n1. If a person meets this condition, that means no one trusts him but everyone else is trusted by him. So we return the current person's ID as the judge. If no person meet the condition, we return -1 which means there is no judge exist in the town. And that's it. With this code, we are able to efficiently find the judge in a town. I hope this tutorial was helpful and if you have any questions feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.